In this video, I'll show you how to stake Solana in your Phantom wallet. Start by opening your Phantom wallet and unlock it using your password or biometric authentication. Next, make sure you have some SOL in your wallet. You'll also want to leave a small amount of SOL unstaked to cover future network transaction fees. After that, select your Solana account from the list of available assets. Now tap the Stake button to begin the staking process. Next, browse the list of available validators. You can review information such as staking rewards, commission rates, and validator performance before making your selection. After that, choose the validator you want to stake with. Now enter the amount of SOL you want to stake, making sure to leave enough SOL in your wallet for transaction fees. Next, carefully review the staking details, including the validator and the amount you're staking. After that, tap Stake and approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. Now wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Solana network. Your staking account will then appear in your wallet, although it may take until the next network epoch for your stake to become fully active and begin earning rewards. Finally, monitor your staked SOL and rewards directly from the Solana section of your Phantom wallet, where you can also unstake your tokens whenever you choose. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stake Solana in your Phantom wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.